Later, society got formed and chiefs were elected in order to maintain the tribe. Now, they became more civilized and settlements were developed into urban areas. Most of the early human settlements sprung up in river valleys because water is primary need and supports many activities. And another reason is fertile river plains support agriculture. For these two reasons, people settled down near river valleys. In the world, 4 river valleys became the cradle for the major civilizations. They were the first one, Indus Valley civilization flourished on the river Indus and its tributaries. Indus Valley civilization flourished on the river Indus and its tributaries. It has 4 tributaries: Jhelum, Chena, Ravi and Satluj. The second one, the Mesopotamian civilization flourished on the river Tigris and Euphrates. The third one, the Chinese civilization flourished on the river Huanghe. The fourth one, the Egyptian civilization flourished on the river Nile. Of these 4 ancient civilizations, Indus Valley civilization holds extreme merits due to its extraordinary town planning. This feature is not found in any contemporary civilizations. The Harappan civilization, otherwise Indus Valley civilization, flourished roughly between 2600 to 1900 BCE. The excavation began in early 20th centuries. Many cities were discovered and excavated in the valley of river Indus. Out of those, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were important sites and considered as the twin capitals of the civilization. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were considered as twin capitals of the civilization. These two now are in Pakistan. These places are found in Pakistan. Let me see in the map. So, see here, the brownish portion is Indus Valley civilization. This is Harappa. Next, here Mohenjo-daro, Kordiji, Chanu-daro, Amri. Next, Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, Rupar, Banawali. So these are the famous important Indus sites, Indus Valley civilization sites. Before partition, these sites are all belong to India. But after partition, after free India, some sites went to Pakistan. So Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kordiji, Chanu-daro, Amri, important sites went to Pakistan. And in India, Rupar in Punjab, Banawali in Haryana, Kalibangan in Rajasthan and Dholavira, Lothal. So these are in India. So these are very important sites. Other than this, even other important sites were also excavated. Then, see, all of them appear to belong to the same culture, that is Harappan culture. This civilization is also called by the name of Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first city to be excavated. Where did these people come from? These people came from Eurasia. You can observe here. They came from Eurasia to Central Asia, that is present day Iran, Iraq. And Central Asia too, they came to Northwest India via Afghanistan. They came from Eurasia to Central Asia, that is present day Iran, Iraq, that area, and Central Asia to Northwest India through Afghanistan. Afghanistan is not suitable for the habitation because of the mountainous area with the less water sources, then hot and dry climate, okay, would not support the civilization. So that why finally they reached Indus Basin. Finally they reached fertile river Indus Basin. When they saw plenty of water resources with fertile land, they decided to settle down there. Later, they spread over in that area only. Gradually, the civilization spread surrounding the Indus and its tributaries. Next, about their town planning. Harappans were famous for excellency in town planning. So, most of the cities were divided into two parts. One is western part and another one is eastern part. The western part was constructed on raised ground called citadel. Citadel, this place is meant for ruler and ruling class people, like traders, rich traders, merchants, priests. So all these members, higher class community, lived in citadel. Citadel contains public buildings, religious structures and granaries. A special structure called Great Bath was also found in Mohenjo-daro. So you can observe the map here, picture here. This is Great Bath picture. This was found in Mohenjo-daro. It is just like a swimming pool. So it is constructed by baked bricks and it was constructed by baked bricks and was made watertight by using natural tar. There were rooms surrounding the tank. The water was probably brought from well and drained out after usage. So this Great Bath is example for the excellency in construction. Harappan's excellency in construction we can observe by observing the Great Bath. Next, elaborate granaries also found in some places. These granaries were built in order to store the surplus grains. And these granaries were built near river. In order to import and export the grains for their convenience, they built the granaries near rivers. Next, about eastern part. Eastern part was constructed at lower height called Lower Town. So this place is meant for common people. Common people live in this portion. This part consists single-story and multi-storage houses. Each house had a courtyard and that's surrounded by rooms. And each house had a well and had a separate bathing area with sloping floor. And bathroom drains were connected to the street drains. Even kitchen drains also connected to the street drains. And these drains were covered with slabs. So, Harappans were excellent in town building. Harappan civilization is especially famous for its town planning and drainage system. Next, about their occupation and craft. Harappans followed many occupations. They were farmers, herders, potters, stone cutters, metal workers, jewelers and even many more. They were expert in agriculture, herding, pot making, weaving cloth, jewelry making, toy making, seal making, even many more activities. So, see, you can see the picture here. So, this picture shows toys. These toys were baked toys. And this picture shows excellency in toy making. When you observe the toys, not only this alone, this one, even other pictures also there. So many toys are excavated in that site. All this shows excellency in toy making. Next one, this is dancing girl. It was made by bronze. This shows excellency in metal work. Next, this is Harappan seal. Especially they used this seal in trading. So on this seal you can see animal pictures and script writing. So this shows their excellency in seal making. Next, this picture shows the ornaments. So they used precious stones, gold, copper, bronze in order to make ornaments. Even they import precious stones from different areas and gold from Karnataka. By using all these, they are making wonderful ornaments. So all these shows excellency in ornament making. So like this, they occupy different occupations and they were excellent in that field. So this is regarding their occupations. Next is about their trade. Harappans had a good trade relations with the neighboring civilizations. They export the surplus production and import goods from the neighboring civilizations. Even dockyard also built near river in order to load and unload the goods. Dockyards means just like a warehouses. So already they got that idea to build warehouses in order to store the grains. So next is about script. Harappans followed pictographic script. The script consists pictures and signs. You can observe here. See on this sheet, you can see the script writing. This is their script, pictographic script, and even pictures also used in that script. So many clay tablets which consist these signs and pictures were also found in the archaeological sites. Next is about the declining of the civilization. No one knows the exact reason for the decline. It may be vary from city to city. But on these general assumptions and archaeological evidences suggest certain reasons. There might have been river dried up, so that why they migrated to the new area. Otherwise, there might have been any natural disasters like floods, earthquakes. Because of that reason, they migrated to another area. Otherwise, there might have been any otherwise change in the course of river Indus, so that leads to the migration. So maybe there may be any causes, but gradually there is a decline in the civilization, and people move to the southern part. It means towards the Ganges plains. So this is about Indus Valley civilization. This is also called as Harappan civilization. This civilization famous for its town planning and the drainage system. This is one of the famous civilization in the world. Thank you. See you in next video.